Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to stake Polkadot using the Trust Wallet app. First open your Trust Wallet app, tap the icon at the top right and search for Polkadot from the list of tokens. Polkadot is currently priced around $7 per coin. That means $14 gives you about 2 DOT and so forth. Trust Wallet states the minimum amount required to stake Polkadot is currently 2113 DOT, but this number can vary. When you tap on stake, it shows a 10 DOT minimum. You can also buy DOT directly in the app. For example, TUI DOT costs around $150. The minimum purchase amount is about $50. Buying $50 worth gives you approximately 6.71 DOT. To avoid limitations, use Binance instead to stake your Polkadot coins. On Binance, go to Binance Earn by tapping the piggy bank icon. Tap Simple Earn, then use the search bar to look up DOT for Polkadot. Enter the amount of DOT you want to stake, like 6.71 DOT, and note that Binance has a very low staking minimum as little as 0.001 DOT. The current quota is 30 DOT, and after agreeing to terms, you'll see estimated rewards like 0.37 DOT after 120 days. That's how you can stake Polkadot using Trust Wallet or Binance as an alternative. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.